We're taking a closer look at building green, specifically this house in Fairhope, Alabama, which was the first one in the state to be certified by the National Association of Home Builders Green Building Program. Now, from the beginning, architect Bob Chatham and builder Jeremy Friedman decided they wanted to prove that a greenhouse didn't have to be ugly, so aesthetics were a very important part of designing this home. Now, when they decided to do all of the furnishings to really show this place off, they had two priorities: attractive and green.
In this house, we actually got to use a lot of different green materials. For example, all of the area rugs, they're dyed using vegetable dyes, which are environmentally friendly. And then whenever you get to your upholstery pieces like sofas, you can use soy-based cushions. That's what's inside the cushion, the filler part. And then also just using natural materials such as linen, cotton, and some bamboo. My favorite piece is the aluminum table in the master bedroom, just because it shows that you can still have stylish looking furniture that is environmentally friendly.